Hi everyone, welcome to SL Creation. In this video, I will install interior light for real train model. This is one of DIY series. I will use LED strip to do so. Without further ado, let's get started. This time I choose Japanese Shinkansen JR500 for demonstration. It's my very first train model. Although Tomis has official light kits, I still prefer to do it by myself. Measuring and sketch is always my first step. I'm very lucky to find this plastic bowl. It's very convenient that I don't have to paint to the back. Such a dark color can prevent light penetrating. If light penetrating through carriage, your train will look like a lamp. This is the most narrowest LED strip that you can buy, with only 2.6mm. I am testing proper value for resistor. Resistor is for sharing voltage. It could reduce the brightness. LED strip share voltage from 8.5 to 9. You will have proper brightness. Upper plate is for comfortability. It is some sort of super glue. It could bonding different material together. Just wait a few more hours until it completely dry. In this case, the stripe is too long, it will cause short-circuiting. Heat shrinking tube can fix it easily. I use 2 rows of string with opposite priority. Light will always on whenever you sweep train direction. Use UV glue to pass the strip. Use UV light for post-curing. You can watch my previous video for how to build your own post-curing UV light. Spring is for conductivity. It will conduct electricity from wheels. Disassemble wheels. You will be able to see electricity conducting from wheels. Final test. This is all about how to DIY interior light for train model. If you'd like to know more technique how to make diorama and model, please subscribe. I will show you more in the future. Thanks for your watching.